Let's perform a WSUS reset. It will help us to re-download the missing files. So to reset the WSUS, first of all we need to stop the services for the WSUS. We can simply open services.msc and we need to look for WSUS services. Just stop the service. Once the service is stopped, we have to open command prompt as an administrator and we need to run the command. First of all, we need to change the directory to program files, update services tools as coming up below section. And let me go to update services, tools, and now this is the exe which we need to reset, which is WSUS util.exe /reset space reset and hit enter. There will be no prompt coming up and the WSUS should be reset. Once then, you need to simply go to the same services.msc and you need to start the WSUS services which we have stopped.